Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Tune 215 to wireless and I'm going to show you how can you easily enter pairing mode on them. So at first you have to bring yourself the right earphone as it's here and press on your button for at least 3 seconds. Now they should go into pairing mode. Let's try again. And as you can see, it's here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.